take off. She's got to take the pressure off your feet.
It's all right, Brutus. It's all right. Did you see Doobie pulling on his head?
I don't know if I got that recorded or not, but I got him pulling his tail.
And I only went to one house. Where's my second?
Well, we're almost out. We should dump your bag and use it.
My mom made all the grandkids a big bag of candy.
Oh, wow.
Not for either one of you. You guys can't eat candy. Don't.
Let's check out Landon's stash. What's he got in there? Oh, wow. Look at all that good stuff.
You're nowhere near as big as our dog. Landon, you don't have any of the good stuff, man.
I haven't seen Buddy yet.
He's about as big as this dog. His feet are bigger. Will takes me around to go trick or treating. Really? He's in there.
You got school? You still in school?
No, he dropped out. I'm saying you have to go. I failed first grade.
Did you? How'd you do that?
Where did he go?
I'm recording.
I'm the ant here and I can stop. I'll let you know. I got my dog.
Go, go.
Hi. You're welcome.
So, Scooby, what you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
He wants to grab his head. Look. Look.
Oh.
I told you. That other thing.
You think you're not brave enough?
Oh, Brutus.
Imagine you gonna go steal people's candy that's trick or treating on?
Yeah.
See what they got?
There's lots of babies out there with buckets. They don't need it. They can't eat it anyway. Yes.